Namaskar, my dear students. Again, I am in front of you. Today, I am taking from class 9 subject OPT Maths. Topic is function. Previous video, I am already explained definition of function. Today, I am going to explain types of the function. So, basically, function having two types, but I am write here four types. First one defined from set A, second one defined from set B. So, first type one-to-one function. One-to-one function. How to define one-to-one function? If each element of set A has separate unique image of set B, it's called a one-to-one function. So, a function defined from A to B is said to be a one-to-one function if each element of set A has unique separate image of set B is called a one-to-one function. So, in arrow diagram, if the set A, here is the set B. If the function defined from A to B, right here to A to B. If the A, B, C, and here the X, no S, P, Q, R. According to our definition, each element of set A has unique separate image. A mapped to P, separately B mapped to Q, and X mapped to R. Everyone has a separate image. It's called a one-to-one function. Is that clear? So, you can write F A is equal to P, F B is equal to Q, F X is equal to R. F A is equal to P, F B is equal to Q, and F X is equal to R. It is a one-to-one function. Second one, many-to-one function. It is also defined from set A. Same a function defined from A to B is said to be a function if at least two elements have one image. If at two elements of set A has unique image of set B is called a magnitude 1 function. From arrow diagram, here is the set A, here is the set B, function defined from A to B. Here is the activity A, B, C, and here is the X, Y. According to our definition, at least two elements of set A, at least two elements of set A has unique image of set B. At least two elements of set A map it one element of set B. At least two elements of set A has unique image of set B. Unique image of set B. It is a magnitude 1 function. Separate image 1 to 1. Having at least two elements mapping one element of set B is a magnitude 1 function. So Fa therefore Fa is equal to S, Fb is equal to S, Fa is equal to S, and Fb is equal to S, Fc is equal to Y. This is second magnitude 1 function. This one is 2 number. Now come to third number. Third number. Onto function. So that function defined from set B, not set A. First two functions defined from set A. Set A each element separately, and set A at least two elements mapped to the one element of set A is a magnitude 1. So 1 to 1 function or function defined from A to B is said to be onto function if all element of set B has pre-image of set A. Yeah, other one you can say it's called a or in Latin you can write codomain of function is equal to range of the function. Range of the function is called a onto function. It means we have a two set A and set B. There is the X, there is the Y, there is the A, there is the B, and also you can write a C also. There is the D. Yes. Z and also Z. So all element of the function A to B, all element of set A have pre-image of set all elements of set B must be participate in a mapping. Other word, codomain of function is equal to range of the function. So x map to A, y map to B, and z map to again z map to B also. If the codomain is A and B, also range is A, B. If the no element of set B is not in the participate in mapping. All elements of set B participate in a mapping. Now this one is called the onto function. Is that clear? Now last one is the into function. Just I am changing here. Into function. A function defined from A to B is said to be an into function if at least one element of set B has no preimage. So here all elements of set B participate in a mapping. At least one element of set B have no preimage or not participate in a mapping is called a into. So some difference from it. Into function if at least one element of set B has no pre-image of set A. It means at least one element of set B have no pre-image. It means codomain of function is not equal to function. So what is changing in this one? You write here C. So this function is a into function. When you not write C, this function is a onto function because all elements of set B participate in the mapping. But to write here the C, it is a into function. At least one element of set B have no preimage. So here is the C have a no preimage. So this is a into function. Is that clear? So four types of the function is here. I think you understand. I hope. Okay. Next topic our is from function. Testing of the function. Given curve, it is a function or not? How to define? How you can say? Having two methods. You can say the function or not. First, you draw the vertical line in your curve. The vertical line intersect at only one point, then given curve is a function. If intersect more than one point, then it is not a function. I have written here. If the vertical line cuts at only one point of the curve, it is a function. If the vertical line cuts more than one point, if the curve, given curve, it is not a function. So I am write here some examples. One by one I am testing. One vertical line draw here. Look at here. How many points vertical line intersect or cuts given curve? Having only one point. Here is. Therefore, it is a function. Given curve represent a function. Look at here. You can draw anywhere. Then you can say, I am going to draw here. Yes. Again, vertical line intersect at only one point. So given curve represent a function. It is a function. Here is. This intersect at 2 points. So given curve is not represent a function. Here and here. If more than 2 points intersect, then it is not a function. So given curve not represent the curve of the function. Here is again you can draw any vertical line intersect at only 1 point, then it is function. More than 1 point is not a function. Again it is a function. Here is 2 points